Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If not, this will make your day a little bit better. So I just found a new alarm system. It's wireless, it's easy to install, and it will take you guys about 30 minutes to get it done. 30 minutes. And it has some amazing features. Whoa. Uh-oh, so the alarm just called me. I gotta go. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Luckily we have the alarm system installed, otherwise we'll be in trouble. If you guys are interested in the alarm, I do have it in the descriptions below. You can check it out, and if you can buy it from Amazon, that would really help out the channel. Thank you so much. Let's continue with the video. Alright, so let's talk more about the system. This particular one is a USB power, but you can also get the 12 volt system like I have, which connects directly into your 12 volt system. Alright, so here's the panel mounted. Let's go ahead and plug in the power. This is your keyless remote control. You can use this to arm or disarm the system. There's a panic button, so you can sound the alarm if you're in panic situations, or the stay mode to where you can set it and you can stay inside your vehicle. This is your windows and door sensors. So you place one of this on each of the doors and or windows that opens. Okay, so this is where I've installed the door sensor. Here's the passenger side. When I open the door here, and as you can see, that red light is informing me that the door is open. This is your motion sensor. You would mount this in the corner on the wall. That's where I've got the motion sensor. In the back of the van, it has a direct line of sight all the way up front. You could also get a glass break sensor, a smoke detector, a carbon monoxide detector, or a water leak detector. Those are additional accessories that you can add into the system to make you feel safer. There is a battery backup power inside the unit, which lasts up to 6 hours. So if you're going hiking and you don't want your vehicle to still have power on, you can turn off the power, the system would still work. If you're an Android or iOS user, there's an app for you to download and you can have your phone controlling the unit without needing to use the wireless remote. It does use your text messaging, so use it wisely. You can also set a timer for the alarm to automatically arm at certain times or to disarm at certain times. Now for the good stuff. So this unit does take a SIM card, a 3G or 2G SIM cards. You can get those at any of the wireless carrier providers. T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, I know H2O and Crickets, Boost Mobile, they all have a prepaid plans to where you pay only $10 to get started, and it would have you in service for 90 days. If your alarm system doesn't go off that often, 90 days would be a phenomenal deal. So $10 every 90 days, just to feel safe and just so that the alarm system can contact. So what's nice about that calling feature is there's a microphone spot right here that lets you listen into your vehicle. So if the alarm does go off and the system is calling you, you can select that options and it would let you hear what's going on inside your van, what the thieves are saying, what they're making fun of, what they're not making fun of, I guess. Also, you can also disarm the system through that phone call, so you don't actually have to go back to your vehicle and actually turn it off. You can turn it off right then and there, and then you can rearm it if you think there's nothing going on, it's just a glitch in the system. You can just disarm it and then rearm it. If it does go off again, then yeah, you know someone's inside your van. That way you can call the cops and get the situation handled. And lastly, if you want to be heard, there's a siren that you can place inside your engine compartment or underneath the van. It would sound a very loud alarm to where everyone can hear what's going on. Alright, so that's where I've mounted it, to the side of this airbox right here. And the wire's going in, the garment is covering it. So if you're looking around for an alarm system, I would highly recommend getting these systems because they're easy to install. You don't need any professional installations. It doesn't actually mess around with your vehicle's electrical wiring. All it takes is just a power wire connected and you're done. So it's a pretty good system. The cost is about $50 up to $200 depending on the type of accessories you're adding in. But you can get away with like a $50 or a $70 system. And that's how much an alarm system would cost you out in the market anyways. And then you have to add in your installation costs, so that would run way more than what this system is giving you. And with that, it does give you that calling feature, which is pretty important to let you know what's going on. And none of the aftermarket alarm system for a vehicle have that function unless you're buying a $500 system, which would give you that options. Alright, so I'm all the way up in the front. Here's the remote. I'm gonna arm it.
Arming.
And here's the motion sensor. It's gonna turn on. And I'm sitting up here. I'm gonna wave my hand, and as you can see, it turns on. And the alarm panel is picking it up. It's gonna sound the alarm within 10 seconds.
5. Dawn. Alarming. Password successfully.
Alright, and then you can arm it. Here's how loud it is. It's on the inside, and then this is on the outside. Also, comments below if you want to see a more in-depth, detailed video on the system of how to use the menu, how to install it, the review of it. Just go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and make a separate video to show you guys all of that. I really do like to know what you guys think of the video, so if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you want more content, go ahead and hit that bell icon, and that would ring you every time I upload. If you guys are still interested in the alarm system, I do have the links in the descriptions. Please check it out and have a good day. And on a side note, I am not being paid by Kerui or any company to make this video. So if you guys found this helpful, go ahead and try it out yourself.